Unlock the power of tiny greens, why you need microgreens in your life. Tired of bland salads? Want to boost your nutrition effortlessly? Discover the vibrant world of microgreens and transform your kitchen into a powerhouse of flavor and health. Microgreens are essentially baby vegetable plants, harvested just after the cotyledon leaves have developed. Think of them as the super concentrated version of your favorite veggies. They're not sprouts, which are just germinated seeds. Microgreens have roots, stems, and tiny leaves, packed with intense flavor and nutrients. These tiny greens are typically harvested 7 to 14 days after germination, making them a fast and rewarding crop for home gardeners. Microgreens are taking the culinary world by storm, appearing on menus in top restaurants. But you don't need to be a chef to enjoy them. Home gardeners are increasingly drawn to microgreens for their ease of cultivation and impressive nutritional benefits. Plus, they're a fantastic way to enjoy fresh, homegrown produce year-round, regardless of your climate or outdoor space. Don't let their size fool you. Microgreens are nutritional dynamos, often containing significantly higher levels of vitamins and minerals than their mature counterparts. Studies have shown that microgreens can be packed with up to 40 times more nutrients than mature vegetables. This makes them an excellent way to boost your intake of essential vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants. One of the biggest appeals of microgreens is their ease of cultivation. You don't need a sprawling garden or specialized equipment. A simple tray, some soil, and seeds are all you need to get started. They thrive indoors, making them perfect for apartment dwellers or anyone with limited outdoor space. Microgreens can be grown on a windowsill, under grow lights, or even on your kitchen counter. Microgreens aren't just nutritious. They're also incredibly flavorful. Each variety offers a unique taste profile, from the peppery kick of radish to the mild sweetness of sunflower. They add a burst of freshness and complexity to salads, sandwiches, soups, and countless other dishes. Experiment with different varieties to discover your favorite flavor combinations and elevate your culinary creations. Ready to dive into the world of microgreens? Here's a quick overview to get you started. Choose your seeds. Select high-quality seeds specifically intended for microgreen production. Prepare your growing medium. Use a well-draining potting mix or coconut coir. Sow your seeds. Spread the seeds evenly over the surface of the growing medium. Water gently. Mist the seeds with water to keep them moist. Provide light. Place the tray in a sunny location or under grow lights. Harvest. Once the microgreens have developed their first true leaves, snip them with scissors. While growing microgreens is relatively easy, there are a few common mistakes to avoid. Overwatering. This can lead to mold and fungal growth. Insufficient light. Microgreens need adequate light to thrive. Using old seeds. Old seeds may have a lower germination rate. Not harvesting at the right time. Overgrown microgreens can become bitter. Growing your own microgreens is not only good for your health, but also for the environment. It reduces your reliance on commercially grown produce, which often involves long-distance transportation and pesticide use. Plus, microgreens require minimal resources, making them a sustainable and eco-friendly gardening option. Once you've mastered the basics, you can explore more advanced techniques, such as vertical growing. Maximize your space by growing microgreens in vertical systems. Hydroponics. Grow microgreens without soil using hydroponic systems. Succession planting. Plant new seeds every few days to ensure a continuous harvest. Don't wait any longer to experience the incredible benefits of growing your own microgreens. It's easy, rewarding, and a delicious way to boost your health and add flavor to your meals. Start small, experiment with different varieties, and watch your kitchen transform into a vibrant, edible garden. Subscribe to our channel for more gardening tips and tricks. Download our free microgreens growing guide in the description below. And share this video with your fellow gardening enthusiasts. Let's grow together!